I was born in the city of Loja, so this is also my community. This is the reason from the very beginning when I was in college back in Ecuador and I knew Dr. Grijalva's research, I knew he was going to my city.
Patricia Mora Crillo is a second-year PhD student studying molecular biology. She focuses on neglected tropical diseases, like Chagas. She received her bachelor's from the Pontifical Catholic University of Ecuador and her master's in molecular biology at the Tropical Diseases Institute in Antwerp, Belgium.
We focus in multidisciplinary research. Once we are in the field, for example, I work in the communities in different areas. It could be either like collecting samples or collecting, extracting parasites in the lab and then going into the houses and tell people about Chagas, how to prevent the disease, to connect first with the communities to see what there are needs. The idea is to go from bench to bed, so everything that you discover in the lab has to be applied also in the communities.
Each summer, Patricia travels to Ecuador. Soon, her OU project will combine results and sampling from those visits collected at CCL.
I will be focusing on the parasite, but I would also trying to look at a way to stop the transmission. We cannot eradicate the disease because there is other mammals that are involved in the cycle, in the life cycle, so we cannot get rid of those. But what we can do is stop the transmission or reduce the transmission.
Ohio University and ITDI prepares Patricia for the career in molecular biology she really desires.
So the fact that I can teach students, that I can prepare myself for the future for my PhD, that I could be also a professor in the future, to teach and to do research.
And what would she tell students considering work and study in this kind of medical research?
It's really a great journey. Not only you get to prepare yourself to be a good scientist or to be a good researcher, but you also get to connect with people in the communities with reality, not just going into a lab, for example. You actually have to see it based on the necessities of people in the communities.
Patricia Mora Crillo's PhD program runs until 2021. Afterward, she wants to do postdoc work, then return to Ecuador to be a professor and principal investigator with CCL. And as she puts it, give it back to my country.
Students, when we start in the science field, we always have this idea that we're going to save the world, or we're going to find a cure for HIVs or things like that. And then you face reality that is a little bit harder than that. But it's all about like doing something that you can share to the world, or you can share to the people, or science. And yeah, that's the idea, I think.